Got my heart on my sleeve, share the love I believe. In a world where I strive, I wear a cape on the inside. Every day I face fears, wipe away all the tears. With a smile I provide, I wear a cape on the inside. I feel strong, I can fly. In my dreams touch the sky. I'm a hero in my mind. I wear a cape on the inside. When
I've walked through the fire, I've danced in the storm, carried the weight of a heart that was torn. But in the dark I heard a voice say, "You are divine, rise up today." And as the walls start breaking and the wounds begin to fade, I stand up taller, I'm no longer afraid. But I am rising, I shine so bright. I've been guarding every part of me, building walls so high no one could see. Kept my heart safe, locked inside, afraid to be seen, afraid to shine. But love won't grow behind these gates, and I'm done letting fear decide my fate. No more hiding, no more doubt. I'm stepping in, I'm stepping out.
God, I need you, I want you. Feel your love in all that I do. Every moment, every day, guide me on this winding way.
When the night is dark and cold, take my hand, make me bold. In the silence, in the noise, hear my prayer, lift my voice.
God, I need you, I crave you. And the storm, the sky's so blue. Hold me close, don't let me go. In your light, my heart will grow.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, my pockets start to fill, coin coins and bills they thrill. Every day is payday, money flows my way. Wishing worlds explode, gold and silver load. Miracle unfolds, my luck never old. Money miracle, oh so strong, growing wiser all day long. Cash and treasures in my sight, shining bright like city light. Bank accounts expand, life is oh so grand. Every wish comes true, riches out the blue.